What's up, y'all? Thanks for watching. Me and my friend Derek have been fishing the Front Range now for a while. We've fished pretty much all over Colorado, tried a lot of different lakes, a lot of different techniques, and we've learned a lot. We're getting a lot of opportunities to catch a lot of big fish. Don't look down on us just because we're young. We're going to catch a lot of fish. We're going to be entertaining. In this video, we got on some walleye and rainbows, and there was a major cold front that came in. There was no snow when we were fishing in this video, but today, which is 2 days later, we have about 1.5 to 2 feet of snow, and we were actually snowboarding today.
Oh, you almost hit it.
Since ice off, we've really figured out these walleye, specifically this lake. Before ice off, we caught a nice 10-pounder. We've really been getting on them lately. We've caught about 9 in the past week.
The chatterbait. Yup. Oh. Yes, sir. Yo, dude, he choked.
We caught a couple fish in this video. We have a lot planned, so click that notification button. Make sure you're up to date on everything because we're gonna post a lot. We're gonna catch a lot of big fish. We're giant hunting. We're going after big Lakers, pike, walleye, giant rainbows, big browns. We have a lot of opportunity to catch really big fish, and I'm really excited to show y'all that. Hope y'all enjoy.
What's up, y'all? Yeah, we just got out on the lake. It is sprinkling a little bit. It looks beautiful out here, man. This is what we're using right here. That's what I'm using, at least. He's using a big white fluke.
Hot. Too hot.
Oh, my hair is gonna get soaked.
Yeah.
Oh, I have one. First fucking cast. First cast. Oh, he feels big. That's head shakes. Look at that. That's nice.
First cast, guys.
Dude.
Literal first cast at the top.
Hell yeah. All right, bet. Slimy ass motherfucker. He's jizzing on me. Stop nutting, bro. Come on, bro. I'm gonna have to gill him. He's too slimy. Look at that. It was like wrapped around his jaw. Clamped him down. Look at that, right in the corner of the mouth. Got him.
Nice rainbow, guys.
Yes, sir.
Low pressure system. The fishing is probably going to be good. Knock on wood.
Okay.
Release
Time to
him.
let him go.
Yep.
I'm slipping. We're gonna let him go when he's ready. Damn, he's bleeding a little bit.
He's bleeding.
Yeah. See you, buddy.
What about that?
Hell yeah. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Fish? Follow?
Fucking something huge.
Really? Oh, I'm snagged. My balls are chafing, but we're still out here. Oh, wait, is that this?
Bro. I want to fucking catch it at 7 times smaller.
Oh my god. Dude, that would be crazy.
Oh shit.
Hits?
I think I just have one. Oh, do it again. Fucking do it again. Did you just see that?
No. Bro,
Dude,
got
do
it.
it again.
Really?
Dude, that shit was like 10 feet away.
Damn.
I was top watering that shit.
Dude, that's what I'm saying. They're fucking close. They're shallow.
I was watching my line, like, cause I was dropping it.
Uh-huh.
And I was watching my line to see, like, where the fuck to, like, stop. Cause I wanted to see how deep it was.
Yeah.
I started reeling in, and that shit was fucking on, and it was like, oh, that's snagged. And then I started pulling head shakes. Like,
Damn, bro. Yeah, I saw that shit. That was a big fish you had on. All right, we back out. Whoa! Ooh. Ah! Bet. Yeah. I want to catch some Mackinaw. We've caught Lakers. We haven't caught fucking Mackinaw. I want to catch a goddamn Mackinaw. All right, let's go.
Oh my god. Fucking snow day is crazy without any snow happening.
Yeah, bro.
We just are
Like snow day, but look around.
yeah.
Damn, I can like feel it getting darker by the second. Spot number 3. Starting to snow.
Yeah. Damn, the water's like, it looks a little more stained over here.
Yeah.
Oh, got one.
Really?
Yep.
Bet.
Yep.
Good shit, bro.
No! Are
Came
you
off?
fucking- Oh my god. Smashed it, bro.
Damn.
Fishing that shit like mid-waterfall too.
Fast or slow?
Like fast.
Huh.
Like, I was like jerk baiting it. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the hook set or what.
It might be.
'Cause like, I'm hook set.
Because they're on. They were on.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that was a fish. That's a fish. That's a fish. Oh, that's big. Oh, it came off.
Yeah, bro, they're fucking eating. They're fish.
Yeah, I was fishing it fast too.
Dude, they're just like, they're not like any other fish, bro. They're just on. Oh, I fucking had another.
No way. 0 for 4. Well, we're getting bit, y'all.
No, I just fucking ate right in front of me. You hear that?
No.
Holy shit. Came out of the water and jumps out of like, he's like literally fucking jumped for something.
Damn.
It could have been a trout.
These motherfuckers are aggressive right now, dude.
Holy shit. I literally saw his body roll out of the water. I got him, got him.
Bet,
Oh my
bet,
God.
bet. Holy shit. Holy shit.
I lost him.
No, I saw that.
5-pounder, bro.
Dude, get back out there.
After he fucking surfaced, I literally just pitched out and fucking ate it like 2 seconds after it dropped.
That I'm putting
Fucking in front of me, bro.
I'm putting the fluke on. But I mean those other ones were slamming it.
Oh, I just had another. I just had another.
You got one? I'm trying, I just tied on. Yes, bro. Oh, I have one. Oh, I had one.
Jerkbait or what?
Paddle tail.
Oh, you put on the paddle tail?
Yeah. Oh, fuck. Fuck.
I know, bro.
It's because he hit it, and then I paused it, and then I reeled in and he was on. Oh, but yo, if we haven't mentioned it already, it's supposed to snow like 20 inches tonight. And I mean, there hasn't been no snow yet. So, we'll see about all that. That's a fish. Oh my God, I want a walleye. You got a fish? Just, dude, reel it in.
Do I just keep reeling?
Yes, reel it in.
Come to me, I guess. Dude, he's fucking fighting.
If you snag the first fucking bait on the first cast,
Really?
Yeah.
Bet.
damn, that's pretty nice.
Yeah?
Dude, it's fighting.
You need a net?
Oh my god, it's pulling drag.
Oh. Bet, bro. Good shit. Hell yeah. What, 18? 20?
18, 19.
Hell yeah. That's not a bad one. Dude, it's fucking frigid, my God. God damn.
Yeah, it's cold.
Hey, that's a nice one, bro.
Yeah, it's about the same size.
Yeah.
I mean, yesterday was actually bigger.
Yeah.
There's the snow.
Oh, yeah?
Yep, it's starting to snow. There's no fucking way.
Oh, my God. For real?
Oh, it got off.
Oh.
No, he didn't.
Yo, good shit. He has a fish.
No, another one. Wait, look at it. Oh, there it goes.
Oh, he's popped off?
Yeah.
Damn. You have, oh, raw. Wait, what?
Yeah. I've been having them on.
I thought you had a rock.
Oh, no.
It's another trout?
I think.
You want me to unhook him? I got you.
Dude, they got some big ass smiles. Are you sure that's a rainbow?
Oh, there he goes.
Oh, he still got him somehow.
Damn.
This went off strong.
Alright, what's good, y'all? Dude, okay. So we just finished up. We got 3 rainbows, a walleye, and a shit ton of bites. I want to see how bad the snow is on my head because I can feel it. Dude, look at this. It is coming down. The video don't do it justice, bro. Do it.